It starts with one thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I put my trust in you, just as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I've put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Today we will work on your stealth mode and crouching in the proper places. Okay. Why isn't Thunder here? He had other stuff to do, so don't worry about it. Okay, now we'll work on your warrior skills. Follow me. Okay, Steel. This is where most of the train sessions that we will do will be held. Anyway, I don't know with your skills that you'll be able to master the fine art of pouncing, but I don't know. Anyway, go in a bush and try to sneak up on me. Okay. What? I have to get stuck with this. Three, two, and dumb. You can't even sneak up properly. Well, maybe that's because you're a bad teacher. Excuse me, I'm a great teacher. It's you who are the bad student. I'm not a bad student, you're just a bad teacher at training. Why didn't I get someone else to train me like Warrior? Warrior's a stupid wolf. He's the one who fought in battles before you were even born, Steel. How do you know? I'm older than you. I'm an alpha, and you're just an omega. What was that? There was nothing there. It was probably just a bird, okay? You're so stupid. I heard something. What was that? Come out now, whoever you are! from him. Seal, are you okay? I'm fine. Other than this wound on my side, I'm perfectly happy. I think we should go back. It's starting to get late, so we should get back. Yeah, totally. Are you okay? I'm perfectly fine, and I don't need your help. Your little stupid Omega with your stupid skills. I don't need your help. I think I really should help you. I said I'm fine. I can manage perfectly fine. Okay then. Oh guys, look what happened to Steel. I bet Thunder protected him. He's a big baby. I don't think we should be talking about Steel, guys. You know what happens when he gets angry. Who cares? During Thunder's training tomorrow, we should go sneak. We should go follow them and sneak. Oh yeah, that would be a good idea. Yeah, that's the best idea you've ever had. I don't know, guys. It might be a bad idea, and we don't want to get in trouble. Who cares if we get in trouble? We'll be fine. Totally. Oh boy, look what happened to Steel. I hope nothing bad happened while they were out on their training. What happened? There was tigers, and they tried to attack us, but yeah, I defended your son and myself, and got this. I should go to the med den. Yes, you should. And tigers, we haven't had tigers in a long time. Not since the Shadow Wolves. I know, weird, right? Anyway, I'm gonna go to the den. You can speak to your son if you want. Also, we need to talk later about the training. Of course. And go get rest, and yes, we can talk. Matt, I need help. Oh my, that's a nasty wound. I'll get it fixed right away.